What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is finally launching in India on 3rd April 2024, and here are the details, every single thing which you need to know about this smartphone. Now before getting this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you've done that, let's get started. So the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is going to be a great smartphone this time around and a good upgrade from the Edge 14 Pro. And this time the phone will be coming with a 6.7 inch of a 1.5K resolution POLED display with a very minimal bezels. Now this is going to be a curved display and the refresh rate is not going to be 120Hz, but it will be 144Hz of high refresh rate. Now the display of this phone is a curved display, so the display does look very beautiful, and the phone also comes with a decent enough processor, which is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. The 7 Gen 3 processor will also be seen in the OnePlus Nord CE series as well, and it's almost on equivalent with the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro, for which the Nothing Phone 2a was launched upon. Now, but if we talk about the processor, then this time around Motorola is changing its MyUX skin towards the Hello UI, and the Motorola is promising 3 years of assured OS upgrade on this phone, and you will be getting all the Motorola features such as Family Space, Moto Connect, Moto Secure, Unplugged, Gestures, and also the PC Connect as well for the Motorola's family. Well, apart from that, the 3 major years of OS upgrade and the phone will be running Android 14 out of the box does sounds good, but we still have to see that Moto don't change the policies later after releasing the phone. But if we talk about the backside of the phone, you do see a camera module for a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel of a primary sensor, a 13 megapixel of an ultrawide camera, and the third camera is yet to be known. But if we talk about the battery size of this phone, then it's going to be a 4500 milliamp battery with the fast charging support of up to 125 watts with the charging, but you will be getting 68 watt of wall adapter in the box itself. So you will still be getting a charger in the box, but it's not going to be the fastest one. And if we talk about the wireless charging, then the phone will also be coming with the 50 watt of wireless charging support, which is insane, and a 10 watt of reverse wireless charging as well. Now the phone also supports dual stereo speakers setup, and the IP68 water and dust resistance will be present in the phone. The phone also will be coming with a Type-C with a 3.1 UFS storage, so that's also a good thing to have. And the display will be protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 in the front and the in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, what do you think about the price of this phone? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.